Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best cooling fan for the PS5, the NANANINO PS5 cooling fan. If you're a serious gamer or someone who spends hours on your PlayStation 5, you know how important it is to keep your console cool and running smoothly. This cooling fan is specially designed for both the PS5 Digital Edition and the Ultra HD Disc Edition, making it a perfect companion to protect your investment from overheating during intense gaming sessions. One of the standout features of the NANANINO cooling fan is its built-in triple fan system. Each fan spins at an impressive speed of around 5,500 RPM, delivering fast airflow to dissipate heat efficiently. The high airflow capacity ensures the main components of your PS5 stay cool, even during long hours of gameplay, which helps maintain optimal performance and prolongs the life of your console. Installation couldn't be easier with the plug-and-play design. Simply attach the cooling fan to your PS5, turn on the switch, and the fan starts running immediately, with a blue LED indicator light confirming it's active. This straightforward setup means no complicated wiring or technical know-how is needed, so anyone can get their console cooled down quickly. Another important benefit of this cooling fan is its low noise operation. While some cooling solutions can be loud and distracting, the NANANINO fan runs quietly in the background, so it won't interrupt your gaming experience or communication during multiplayer matches. It balances powerful cooling with minimal noise, making it a comfortable addition to your gaming setup. The design of the fan is compact and space-saving. It won't add bulk or get in the way of your PS5 or gaming space, which is especially useful if you have a dedicated entertainment area where space is limited. The black finish also matches the PS5's aesthetic, blending in seamlessly without standing out awkwardly. This cooling fan operates on 5 volts with a 4-pin power connector, drawing only 2.5 watts, so it's energy efficient too. The cooling method is air-based, focusing on enhancing your PS5's natural ventilation rather than using complex cooling technologies. This simplicity contributes to its reliability and longevity. One key note is that this product is not compatible with the newer PS5 Slim or PS5 Pro models. So, if you own one of those, this fan won't fit. But for the standard disc and digital editions, this is a fantastic choice to maintain cooler temperatures and safeguard your console. Beyond functionality, this cooling fan also makes a thoughtful gift for any PS5 owner. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a surprise for a gaming enthusiast, it's a practical accessory that shows you care about their gaming experience and the longevity of their equipment. In summary, the NANANINO PS5 cooling fan offers high-performance cooling with a simple, quiet, and efficient design that's easy to install and fits perfectly with your PS5. It helps prevent overheating, ensuring your console runs smoothly through those long gaming marathons. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for the best way to keep your PS5 cool, this NANANINO cooling fan is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and tech insights. See you next time.